Okay, so the car is running. So I'm gonna see what kind of error codes it has, this car. So here are the information that I'm getting right now. Let's check fault codes. O2 sensor circuit could explain a lot why it's doing this. I'm guessing it's that one, because I saw there is one here, that's one of the sensors, and its cable is going to this thing. And then there is another sensor, which is over here. So I think I'm gonna need a new sensor, which is not that bad. At least we know what the problem is. Alright, here is the sensor that is the issue. The oxygen sensor that's giving a fault code. So first we're gonna measure the resistance of the heating element for 3.8. So that's quite normal. So this cable goes in here. So we should have 12 volts. I'm not getting a voltage reading from this. So that could mean that maybe there's a fuse that is broken or something. And here we have some fuses, but none of them seems to be controlling the oxygen sensor. And the rest of the fuses are here. Here's a lot of them. According to this, it should be number 15, heated oxygen sensor. And number 15 is located here. So it's this one. So yeah, the fuses are fine, and I still don't have any voltage. We could start the car and look at the readings. That's the next step, to start the car, let it warm up, and then check the sensor once it's all warmed up. Okay, I just started the car to warm it up, and now we have voltage at the sensor. So I'm gonna plug in the sensor so it can heat up. So yeah, I didn't get any good readings from this sensor, so I think I'm gonna take it out. But this belt was squeaking, it was like very loose, and then I stopped the car, and then the whole thing was like so loose. So I need to go in there, get access to this belt and see what I can do. So I got myself one of these, socket for a O2 sensor. So I'm gonna attempt to get it off. This socket just it goes in, might be clogged. So I'm gonna test this again, and I'm gonna measure the voltage. So that's 40 millivolts, 44, 46. So I got myself a new oxygen sensor. This is the old one, this is the new one. They always give the same voltage, 0 to 1 volt, and all the cars have the same type of sensor. So you can take any sensor and put it in any car and it should work. So it's recommended to put something on the threads so they don't get stuck. But the car started and all the lights are gone here. It just says the traction control is off for some reason. I think it has more power now than before.